Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add a contact form to your Wings website. A contact form is essential for allowing visitors to get in touch with you easily. Let's get started. First, log into your Wings account and open your website in a Wings editor or Wings Studio. So here, if you have the template, just click on Edit Site. Now, to add a contact form, simply add a section on your website if you don't have a contact form yet. So let's create a section. I'm going to click on Add Section here. And here in this section, we can add a contact form. So click on the plus icon at the top left. And then an option shows up here. Now, you just need to go to the contact and forms. As you can see, you have different form. You can create a new form or add existing form, contact, subscribe, order form, or old forms. Now in this case, I'm going to select a contact form and I'm going to drag and drop to my website or here in this section. So as you can see, you can customize the contact form to basically suit your needs. So here first, I'm going to drag the sides to make it bigger, just like this. I'm going to drag it to resize or reposition this contact form. Now, if you want to customize it, you just have to click on the form. And then here, just have to click on the Edit Form button right there at the top toolbar. So once you click on the Edit Form button, then you'll be directly to this page. As you can see here, the left sidebar, you will find some options. So here you can add, remove, or edit your fields such as name, email, phone number, and message. Or you can basically add, for example, this position. And you can also customize the design by changing the colors, fonts, and button style. Now from here, you can also set up where the form submissions are sent. In the form settings panel, here you can enter the email address or set up email address where you want to receive the form submissions. And you can also connect your form to a Wings database or third-party apps like Google Sheets for more advanced data management. After a visitor submits the form, you can show a success message or redirect them to another page. In the form settings, you just have to go here on settings and you can customize the success message or set up a redirect URL. Now once done, just click on Save button at the top right. And here, before publishing your site, it's important to preview and test the contact form. Just click on the preview button. And here, as you can see, you can fill out the form and submit it to ensure everything is working correctly. And check your email or connected app to confirm you received the submission. So once you're satisfied with your contact form, it's time to publish your website. Just click on the Publish button at the top right and to make your changes live. So your contact form is now ready for visitors to use. That's it. You've learned how to add a contact form to your Wings website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more website tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.